Transforming your garden can be as simple as installing timber screening battens to cover an unsightly wall. In this guide, we'll show you how to achieve a professional finish step by step. Before you begin, take a moment to consider the details of your project. Will the battens be fitted horizontally, as in this example, or vertically? If you're planning to add lights, now's the time to think about running cables. It's much easier to install them before fixing the timber. Next, decide on the gap size between each batten. Here, we're using 5mm spacers to create a neat and consistent look. If you prefer a larger gap but don't want the wall visible, you could add a black membrane behind the battens before starting. For this project, you'll need a spirit level, spacers, and a handsaw, a nail gun, screws or nails, preferably stainless steel to resist rust, measuring tape, a drill and end seal treatment to protect cut timber ends, and don't forget a mug of tea to keep you going. We're using BSW treated timber battens, which come in 4.2-meter lengths to reduce end-to-end joints. For the best appearance, stagger the joins to avoid a visible seam running top to bottom. For this project, vertical bearers have been installed at 600mm centers to provide a secure base. The horizontal noggins have been painted black to blend seamlessly behind the gaps. Start by positioning your first batten and ensuring it's perfectly level. We're using a nail gun with 45mm stainless steel nails, double pinning each batten for extra security. As you progress, check every few battens with a spirit level to ensure everything stays straight. Use spacers to maintain consistent gaps as you work along. Here, we're using 5mm spacers for a sleek, uniform finish. If you need to cut any battens, remember to treat the cut ends with end seal. This helps protect the timber and ensures longevity. For the most aesthetic finish, stagger the joins across the wall, avoiding a continuous seam. At the end of the installation, double-check that all nails are securely in place and knock in any that aren't flush. And there you have it, a stunning, professional-looking timber screen that transforms your garden and hides that unsightly wall. With a bit of planning and the right tools, you can achieve a result to be proud of. For high-quality timber screening battens, visit your local BSW Timber stockist today.